हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू सावरिया प्रॉपर्टीज़। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैप्पी न्यू ईयर आप सभी को। और न्यू ईयर की शुरुआत करते हैं हम बहुत ही शानदार प्रॉपर्टी के साथ। 500 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स की प्रॉपर्टी है डीएलएफ गुड़गांव में, न्यूली बिल्ट है। ओनली मिडल फ्लोर्स आर अवेलेबल, टॉप एंड यूजीएफ आर सोल्ड आउट। और आइए ये प्रॉपर्टी मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। दिस इज़ द मेन डोर, मेन एंट्रेंस, एंड हे यू गेट द लिफ्ट लॉबी। बहुत ही ब्रांडेड लिफ्ट दी गई है आपको। और आप देख सकते हैं तो मार्बल जो लगाया गया है साइड में, वहाँ पे ग्रूविंग्स की गई हैं, बहुत ही एक्सक्यूजिट लुक देती है, जो आपको होटल में भी मिलती है ऐसी लुक। और यहाँ पे आपका वुडन पैनलिंग की गई है। है यू गेट स्टेयर्स विद फुट लाइट्स। एंड नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू द मेन फ्लोर, एंड हेयर यू गेट द मेन एंट्रेंस। दिस इज द फैक्ट्री फिटेड हैवी क्वालिटी डोर। And now entering the floor, here you get massive dining and drawing area. यहाँ पे आप ग्लास वर्क देख सकते हैं। You get massive chandelier and wooden work on the fall ceiling, and these are the doors at door lock, and you can see the quality of the door. And beside the entrance you get puja area, separate puja area. And this is the TV panel in the drawing area where you can enjoy with your family. And beside the entrance here you get wooden work done, and you also get Panasonic door phone. And this is the family lounge area, very spacious, and you get VRV system in the whole floor. This is texture wallpaper, and you get Italian marble flooring. Now coming to the kitchen, here you get island concept kitchen, island kitchen. Now you also get Mitsubishi AC. This is the shutter space. सो आपको फिक्र करने की जरूरत नहीं है, स्पेस बहुत ज़्यादा है फ्लोर में। You also get Faber stove and sensor chimney, and Hatic soft closing drawers. And here you get double bowl sink. And these are the Faber OTG and microwave. It has also the access to the front balcony. From here we entered the floor. Here you get puja area. This is the whole drawing and dining area. And now moving to the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. You can see simple fall ceiling, and you also get dressing area over here. And this is the TV cabinet. You see the neatness done in the fall ceiling. You also get the access to the front balcony. This is the whole wide running balcony you get here on the front. And you also get glass and mesh PVC doors. This is the attached bathroom. All the fittings are from Vitra. This is the glass tinted wardrobes with automatic LED light strips. You also get jewelry drawer here. You can keep your watches, jewelry. and you also get a place to sit for old people. And this is the powder room. Now moving to the second bedroom. All bedroom concepts are very different. You can see how spacious all rooms are. Drawing, dining, family lounge, all things are very spacious. You also get access to the rear balcony and also get VRV over here. And here you get very simple and neatly done false ceiling. And this is the dressing area with the wardrobes on the other side. And beside it, it has attached bathroom. And you can see the golden stripes moving from the ceiling to the below. Very unique work done over here. And here you get WC and separate cabin for bathing. Also get sitting area for old people, beneficial for old people, with anti-skid tiles in the bathing area. And now moving to the third bedroom. This is the third bedroom with the very unique concept. All 4 bedrooms are with different concepts. Here you get access to the rear balcony and TV cabinet, and also you get dressing table here with the wardrobes beside it. And now moving to its attached bathroom. You can see the pattern in the floor, very unique, very detailed work done over here. You also get wardrobe over here with sensored lighting, automatic LED strips. And now moving to the last bedroom. Now moving to the fourth bedroom. Here you get Here you get wardrobe for the common use outside the fourth bedroom. This is the last room but not least. You can see the LED strips, work done on the walls as well as on the false ceiling, which gives it a very unique, beautiful look. You also get dressing table and Mitsubishi AC. In this room you don't get VRV system. Also get access to the rear balcony. Now moving to its attached bathroom. Here you get very unique styling, all black, which give it a very prime and stylish look. Here you also get separate bathing area, branded WC. I showed you the whole floor layout and I hope you understood it very well. If you like this floor and also searching for any builder floor in Gurgaon, please give us a call on the number showed on the screen. If you further want to look for 270 square yard floor in DLF, please click on the right video. And if you want to look for 300 square yard in Sushantov, please click on the left video. Thanks for watching.